Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance minder for your oil life on a Honda Civic. This is a 2016 Honda Civic EX. It should be the same on a 2017, 2018 model. First thing you're going to need to do is push the engine start button twice to get all the ignition on. You don't need to start the car up. And now you've got your maintenance due on the dashboard. So the first thing you're going to do is over here, you're going to want to hit this button here a couple of times until the oil life screen comes up. And then from there, hold down the enter button for about 10 seconds or so. And the back screen will eventually switch over to the maintenance reset screen. From here you can scroll through. There's all sorts of item codes that you could reset. A is the oil change life, so that's what you're going to want to reset. You can also reset all due items. So right now we're just going to do the oil change, which is A. So item A only. Again, you go back here and hold down the enter button. And then on your screen it'll pop up as oil life reset. And oil life is now at 100%. So I hope this helps you out. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. You can leave any questions or comments below, and I'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.